the mess. Yes, look so dirty and you talk for rest. Who no look ya know.
This is O'Shane Mambe. Most people call him Jahdon. He's a recording artist and broom ambassador. Yes, you heard right, a broom ambassador who hails from a family of broom makers. We met him at Grace Food Festival on the grounds of Hope Gardens in August 2024, and impressed with his broom jewelry line, we had to learn more of the driving force behind his creativity.
So Broomie was very unexpected. During the pandemic, Jahdon released his debut album, 369, and he went to South Florida to promote, and we were locked down. So he looked around and he saw some bull touch in Palm Beach and decided to make his first broom. Took a picture, put it on social media outside of Jamaica, and it was a wildfire of requests. People everywhere asking him to ship a Jamaican broom through the US mail. And he was just giving away brooms as a token to his fans during the pandemic.
By doing that, the demand was forwarding, for the product. And by being around the warriors that I was around in Florida, the song came forward, the Broomie song. A song came forward called Broomie. And by doing the Broomie song, we decided, say, you know what, the Broomie song was getting a lot of love. So we decided, say, you know what, let's take this to the next level. Because when I was in Florida, I realized something that I was looking for all of these years, you know what I mean? And it's how to create that bond, to create that bond, honestly, to create more work for my community, you know what I mean? Because my community is a cottage industry. My community have something that is very unique.
It was after this brief interview and learning where he was from that we decided to meet some of the broom makers of Canaanites in Clarendon, a community that specializes in the making of thatch brooms. There we met Miss Daphne and Miss Janet, who have been making brooms for over 75 years, and Michael and Kenneth, broom makers for over 20 years. The brooms are made of thatch palm sourced from within the community and other parishes. It is held together with a stick, nails, and wires.
Me also walk around, take bus and go town, come off a 6 mile, walk for 6 mile with it on my head, reach a Canaan Spring. I walk for all downtown, go to Golden Spring and beat it on foot, come back down. But through me get up in the age now, I can't take it walking. So I just sell a mape in town. I just carry it out and lean up it and take them out 6 and walk around and sell. Yeah man, people buy man. Buy the dozen, some buy 2 dozen, some buy 3 dozen, 4 dozen, and it depends. I'll supermarket buy too. I sell them out of mape in town. I market there. But I stop selling broom and mape in, so tell me. I start make more. I got town. When I got town, go sell broom at $50 and $70 you get for one.
When?
Yes, long time now. And then I left and got Spanish Town and start selling Spanish Town. I did Spanish Town, I don't know. So I can get $300 for one now, Spanish Town. In our market, like when you walk, go out, you get 5 and then money there. Everybody over here mostly can make broom, Everybody. Because I just broom, mostly I survival over here, so. The people, different from who, when I work. You live at Canaanites, then give the place bad name. If you go to out, if you go look for work, then I give up on a Canaanite you come from.
I don't know, a survival, so you have to do it, you understand? And switch to young and badness and all and something that we just go and do it, you understand? Give thanks, work and go and see you understand? Keep you out of trouble.
In Jamaican homes, traditional brooms have been used for generations, valued for their effectiveness and cultural importance. However, modern plastic brooms are now more common due to their durability and ease of maintenance, leading to a decline in the demand for traditional brooms.
These are original still, same way. Still have some people where nah look at them on the same way, natural thing. Yeah, so. You sell a room with 3 bills, 4 bills, different price. The price not stable, you know. You have a man cheap and that, you have a man dear and that same way. But as you say, a survival, so you know, you don't give up, you still do things, you know.
I eat to grow, we don't grow enough father, so we grow and learn for hustle. So we make broom and go up ourselves. We alright. Can't go out of bed, nobody can wait quick up. You see me? We gonna know it. So we just stick to it. We sell them by dozen, 1, 2 dozen of them here. And we sell a town and Spanish town. All over the road.
It's labor intensive.
Yeah, hard yes, but if you put your mind to it, you reach where you want to reach, you see me? Sometimes all I can't do one time, you have to do some and leave some. Because I'm not trying to make for me them one day. Day by day, I do liquor.